Oh, wait a minute. That looks like a multiple engines.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. No, that's an Autorack. No, yeah, wait a minute, that's 277 looks like. Wait a minute, 277? I think you passed already.
That's posted 8 hours.
Yeah. Because he was doing work and stuff at 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it is. It is 277. I was on Facebook at 2 o'clock and church at 2 o'clock in the morning. 237, right by 1. Huh?
It has to be an L. You get me a Q. It's too late.
Well, I don't know, dude. Who knows? Q277 westbound track 1. He's doing. I saw on Facebook it's like 2 o'clock in the morning at Jessup. Wow, I think we got him by now.
Yeah, a lot of engines on it.
So, yeah, I knew it had 6 engines.
Yeah.
I thought you left it with it. I thought you left about 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Because he was working church up at 2 o'clock in the morning, but wow, I never thought I could see him again. See how many actions. Give you about a minute until. Oh my God, it's Dakota Butler.
I'm not here right now. Please leave a message. Thank you for calling. Beep.
Yeah, AKA the lazy ass who's up now. No, no, it's not. He's an awesome guy. The guy who is driving nuts the most is this guy coming up. I know I'm bitch.
Oh, yeah. Hey, could be Mitch though.
You know what? Kiss it.
No.
Kiss it.
No. Yeah, Mr. Touchy will.
Earthquake!
Fucking bitch. Now he's telling me he's driving me nuts the most.
Hey,
He is driving me nuts.
don't start the fire.
Don't.
Because always been burning. Because we didn't start it. Because it's always been burning. Since the world has been turning. Ow.
Yeah. You know what? I don't care. This Real 99 group is an awesome group. I ain't glad I'm in it.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 438. End of transmission.
Wow, and they have 6 engines.
We have six locomotives? Oh, okay.
Oh! That's the L276.